That's nice.
That's good, man.
Yeah. Where's the chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken them. Son of the chicken them? Son of the chicken? Rabbit. Son of the rabbit. Tum, tum. Rabbit. Rabbit. How about the pig? There, pig. Son of the pig. Oink, oink. Rabbit. How about the horse? Oh, How about the duck? Duck. Duck. Son of the duck. Quack, quack. Duck, uy. Duck. How about the dog? Where's the dog? Dog. Son of the dog? Arf. How about the cow? Where's the cow? Cow. Son of the cow? Moo. How about the sheep? Where's the sheep? Sheep. Ba. Where? There. How about the chicken? There. Where? Chicken. Chicken them. There. Son of the chicken. Bak, 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 bak. How about the turkey? Where's the turkey? There. Son of the turkey. How about the goat? Goat. Me. Me. Yeah, very good. Okay, your alphabet now. For apple.